To get started in SketchUp, you first want to set up the template. Now, when you open SketchUp Pro or SketchUp Make, you're going to get this welcome screen. It gives you information about the 3D warehouse. It also gives you information about the extension warehouse, which are plugins for SketchUp, and you can check out SketchUp's blog. You can also find out information about your license, and you can set up a template. Now, with SketchUp Pro, you can uncheck Always Show on Startup. That way you don't have to see this welcome screen every time you begin. With the free version, SketchUp Make, you will see this screen every time you start SketchUp. There are two ways that you can set up a template. One is inside of this welcome screen. You can open up the template, and you can begin with the simple template, feet and inches, but I don't really like this template. You end up having to delete the person every time you start SketchUp, and I don't particularly like the green ground or the blue sky. With every SketchUp release, they put a new character here, and it's usually a SketchUp employee. However, this year, they actually are showcasing an architect, and this is Steve Oles, who is an architect as well as co-founder of the American Society of Architectural Illustrators. So he does a lot of illustrations, used to do a lot of hand renderings, and now a little bit SketchUp. So again, I don't particularly like this template, so I want to change it. If you're inside SketchUp, you want to go to Window Preferences on a PC or SketchUp Preferences on a Mac. We'll now click on Template, and then we'll scroll down to the Construction Documentation, Feet and Inches. In older versions of SketchUp, this used to be called Plan View, Feet and Inches. And of course, depending on where you're from, you can set either feet and inches, or if you're working in metric, you can set meters or millimeters. Now notice when you click on this that nothing happens. It's not until you start a new document that your template will take effect. You can also create your own template in which you could browse for it here. But we'll just select this one. We'll close out, and then we'll start a new SketchUp model by going to File, New. So now notice in the new template, we're in a top view. So this is a plan view with our red axes and our green axes in the center of the screen. Next, we'll take a look at the toolbars.